Bentley is on a transformational journey. It's right in the middle of a strategic program to reinvent its entire range for an electric future. And part of that is an enormous investment here at the home of Bentley in Crewe. But I've come to see a very specific building which is truly amazing. And this is it. This is one of the oldest buildings here at the home of Bentley. It was built in 1938 in this wonderful Art Deco style. But this building isn't just historic, it's iconic too. It's been visited by royalty. And what I love is that Bentley have made the conscious decision to retain the old building, but reinvent it for the 21st century. And there's nothing greener than recycling an old, beautiful building. Everything at the front of the building is about celebrating the past, but everything at the back is all about the future. This is a new chapter in Bentley's design history, and I have to say what they're doing here is phenomenal. It's innovative, it's creative, and it's creating a wonderful environment for the Bentley designers to create those beautiful cars of the future. You know what I think is really interesting? Is that the Bentley designers are reinventing their range of cars for a greener, more sustainable future. But at the same time, the team here are reinventing this old building for a greener future too. And it doesn't get much better than that. I can't wait to see it finished. So this is it, the new Bentley Design Centre, all beautifully restored and converted. This is a building that not just represents Bentley's past, but Bentley's future too. And the jewel in the crown? Well, up there, you've got the new Bentley emblem. It's the 5th iteration in the 106-year history of Bentley. And then as soon as you walk in, you see the beautiful original 1930s staircase in all of its glory. It's been beautifully restored. It just shows that when this was designed, it was built to last. You've got the beautiful brass handrail, the metalwork balustrading, the marble on the floor, and one of my favourite touches is this tiny little brass strip that divides each section of stone and leads you upstairs. And the result is a design space that respects and honours Bentley's past, but also very much looks to the future. You've got 50 designers all under one roof. And then this is the mezzanine level, and what's magical about the architecture here is the mezzanine is looking down on the design studio. Now today it's very busy. We're not just opening this building, but we're also launching the Bentley EXP15 concept car. So it's a hive of activity down there. But once all of that's cleared, this is the space where all the clay models for the cars will be. A magnificent space that's all about creativity. Now I just wanted to show you this because it's very special. At this moment, on the post at the staircase, there's a little marker there. It just commemorates the old staircase meeting the new. Little brass plate, 1939 meets 2025. Now I have to say this is one of my favourite parts of the building. I'm on the roof garden, and here they've added a whole new story to the building. But the roof garden's unbelievably important. It's not just a space where all the team can hang out and get a fantastic view over the campus. It's a place to test out the look of the cars. You want to see them in daylight. So they come up a lift and they go on these turntables. Now I have to say it's been an honour and a privilege to have seen the transformation and be part of the opening. Remember, this is one of the most historic and iconic buildings on the Bentley site. And 86 years later, it's been reborn as the new home of Bentley design. And it's very much the beating heart of the Bentley campus.